Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 6th. Today we are going to start lesson number 6. Our topic is animations in slide in open source software. So let's start. We can make our slides more existing by applying some movements to the text or objects used in the slides. This can be done by using custom animation. Slide animations are similar to transitions, but animations are applied to individual elements on a single slide, such as a title, chart, shape, or individual bullet points. We should always open and view the presentation in normal view mode in order to apply animation effects, as this view allows us to select individual objects on a single slide. Using slide animation effects. First step, click on the slideshow from the menu bar and click on custom animation option. Custom animation panel will be expanded at the right hand side of the window as shown below. Second step, select the object, text or picture from the slide on which we want to apply custom animation. Now from the modify effect section, click on add button. Third step, in custom animation dialog box, 5 tabs will be displayed with the entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths and miscellaneous effects. By default, entrance tab is activated. Step 4, select any effect and the preview of that effects will be displayed immediately. So let's do a practical. Open any presentation on the screen. Now click on slideshow option from the menu bar and click custom animation. Custom animation panel will be expanded at the right hand side of the window. Select the object from the slide on which we want to apply custom animation. Now from the modify effect and click on add button. In custom animation dialog box, 5 tabs will be displayed. First is entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths and miscellaneous effects. By default, entrance tab is activated. Here is many effects. Choose anyone. Suppose I click on circle. You can select another. Fly in, plus. There are many different animations. Suppose I select this box and OK. Here is speed also. This is very fast, very slow, medium, fast and very fast. I select very slow and click on OK. Now select second object, click on add button, emphasis, suppose I select blast and speed is, I choose medium and click OK. Now select third object, click on add, exit option. I select diamond. Speed, suppose I give slow and click OK button. You can change or remove the effects applied earlier. Then we can do so by clicking on change or remove button available under modify effects. Click on your object. Now go to change option. Suppose I want to change this in split. Split. Okay. Our animation is changed. Now click on slideshow option. Here you can see your animation. First object, second and third. This is our custom animation. Thank you.